In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit text in an image in Photopea. There are different methods depending on the type of background your image has, and I will explain both methods step by step. Let's start with an image that has a plain background. To edit the text, the first step is to remove the existing text and prepare the background for new text. Begin by selecting the eyedropper tool from the left toolbar. If another tool is visible in that spot, right-click and choose the eyedropper tool. Click on the background to sample its exact color, which will now appear on the color selector on the left-hand side. Next, select the brush tool and adjust its size and hardness from the top menu. Carefully paint over the old text. This will blend the area with the existing background, making it smooth and uniform. After preparing the background, select the Type tool from the left toolbar to add your new text. Click on the Color Fill option to set your preferred text color. Then, click anywhere on your canvas and type your new text. Finally, use the Move tool to position the text wherever you want on the image. This method works perfectly for images with plain backgrounds. Now let's move to an image with a more complex background. In this case, the previous method might not work because painting over the text can create uneven areas. Instead, select the Healing Brush tool from the left-hand toolbar. If another tool appears in that slot, right-click and choose the Healing Brush tool. Hold Alt on your keyboard and click an area of the background near the text to create a sample. Then adjust your brush size as needed and carefully paint over the text. If the background changes in different areas, take another sample by holding Alt and clicking a new spot. Continue this process until all the text is removed and the background looks natural and consistent. Once the background is prepared, select the Type tool again, choose your desired text color, and type the new text onto the image. You can now clearly see your new text in place of the old text, seamlessly integrated with the background. And this is how you can edit text in an image in Photopea.